Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be here today. I come from present a value persona and the show and the great sense in using technology and the digital environment, specifically in the area of the video game and the usability on the graphic engines. Unity and Unreal Engine are the most difficult adaptive graphic engine in the industry, but the UC developer and worthy according to the GC 2024 report. Both are different to start, but I can represent fundamentally different tools with a very different listening model and technical capacity. The current problem is this. No systematic comparative analytics exists in Spanish language, academic literature specifically in the Colombian indie developer, and machine and mid-range, hardware, and limited boundary usage and the value close and the gap. This aggregates Comparativo and the engine across quite key dimensions: technical performance, annual curve, ecosystem, and community, business model, and multiplatform support, together with the methodology and the common systematic literature review derived from multiple academic and industry sources, and the truth analytics of history in the game and the case study, and trick engine, and in the question applied to Colombia in developer. The final reveals the critical point, unity of endpoints, precise and scalable work and the things in the meditative program in C++, and making it more sustainable developer cycle under 1 or 3 years. On the last Unreal Engine 5 in the name and Lumen technology enable professional level visual results become a software manual optimization and significant advance for a small team and the better graphic quality. And the center outputs in the research in the value comparative and the matrix and the partial game engine selection guide, the significant engine, Colombian indie developer and the answer 3 questions: what is the game and the body, what is hardware and the change to have, and what did this do and choose answer. They make a technically informed decision, no worry by the technical friends or personal preference. This trade don't document winner and proven contextualized framework so that each developer can refine it in answer, because for Colombia indie games developer, the right tools and the most and the powerful one, this is advanced and the first in your real condition. Thank you so very much for your attention. This guide conducted an Universidad Nacional de Distancia Online, which is Multimedia Engine and the program Colombia 2026.